Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I really want to do a fall look for you guys because fall is just around the corner, Halloween, and fall is the best time for makeup to me because warm tones are my jam. So if you guys want to see how to recreate this warm fall blendy look, please keep watching. So first off, I'm just going to set my eyelid. I'm just going to set whatever foundation I have left over on my eyelid using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in Banana Bread. And I'm just going to set that with my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush. Just going to even out any creases. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with ColourPop's Yes Please palette. And I'm going to start by going in with Mischeif. I'm going to be using this JH36 crease brush. And we're going to blend this from the crease up to the brow bone. Not on the brow bone, but just underneath it. So next I'm going to be going in with a little bit of Big Cocktails on this JH37 crease brush. We're just going to blend that a little bit lower. Just gonna always go back in with that yellow brush and just even out any lines. On that same brush, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of GNO and deepen up that orange a little bit more. Now I'm gonna pick up some French Kiss and then put that directly in my crease and blend it in. I'm gonna be using this on my Makeup Forever 218 crease brush. To blend this in fully, I'm going to take a little bit more of that GNO and make sure there are no harsh lines. And then take some of that Mischeif as well. So now I'm going to take some of that Mischeif on this Anastasia Beverly Hills A3 smudger brush. And I'm just going to pack it on my lid. As packed as I can. And just kind of blend it up. Now on this Morphe S20 pencil brush, I'm going to grab some of that Big Cocktails and blend that in as well. Kind of right in the middle of my eyelid. And next, I'm going to go in GNO on that same brush, on that same pencil brush. Going up a little bit higher. And just blend that all together. Make sure it transitions well. So now for my under eye, I'm going to go in with some Mischeif on this S20 pencil brush. And just kind of smudge it in there. Then I'm going to grab some of that Big Cocktails. Take it just a little bit higher. And then I'm going to take this JH43, sounds like an eyeliner brush, or a smudger, whatever you want to use it for. And I'm going to take some of that French Kiss and just smudge it right on the lash line. And just kind of blend that out. I'm going to pick up a little bit of that big cocktails. And just kind of blend those two together and blend them all out. So just like that. Next I'm going to do some eyeliner, and I'm going to be using Tarte's Double Take Eyeliner in brown. And I'm going to be using the pen end for that. I'm going to start really thin. So for lashes, I'm going to be using these L'Amour lashes in Juliette. So to blend these lashes, I'm just going to take the crayon side of that liner and just kind of fill in the line here on the inner. So that cut off for some reason. In my inner corner, I just went in and put in butter cake using my pinky. So for mascara, I'm going to go in with Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang Mascara. So now for my highlight, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's Highlight and Contour Palette. This is the 8H. And I'm going to be going in with Big Bang. And I'm going to use this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlight brush. And then for my nose, I'm going to go in with Venus on this Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 brush. And then my Cupid's bow. So for lips, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's Liquid Lip in Lovely. So this is really orange. I'm just going to darken it up a little bit with MAC's lip liner in Chestnut. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like this video if you want to see more. If you guys need any more help with the looks that I create, go ahead and leave a comment below, or you can DM me on Instagram at Chelseasmakeup. Thank you guys again for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one.